good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody out there is having a blessed day. Also, shout out to anybody that is new to the channel, and while you are here, be sure to click on that subscribe button down below. I just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody that is watching this video, and a Happy New Year to you. Hopefully 2021 will be a lot better than this year. As some of you guys know, I did have COVID. I just want to thank everybody that reached out to me, but I did have COVID, and I just got my test results back the other day, and I am negative. So thank you everybody that reached out to me. Thank God I'm good, and COVID is real. I got my senses back just in time to sniff these new pair of sneakers that I just got in, Nike ID. As you guys know, I have already made a few of these, and let's get straight into it. A week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, I kind of let these just sit. I was kind of under the weather, so I didn't really feel in the mood to unbox these, but I'm back. So let's take a look and see how these turned out. Nike by U box, all white, and Nike by Drizzy, size 9. And let's go ahead and take a look at the sneakers. Here we have the Air Force One Pendleton by you, or by me. But I do want to say real quick, anybody who is thinking about ordering a Nike ID, just for future references, I always suggest to order the shoe as soon as possible, especially whenever Nike first announced that they're doing an ID for a certain model, because a lot of times like materials start to sell out, which means you're more restricted to how you can customize the sneaker to your liking. So for me, for instance, this is a good scenario. So basically, originally I wanted to use basically everywhere you see where this blue was at, I wanted to have it like a dark maroonish color. But once I went to order my pair, I waited like a couple, maybe like 2 or 3 weeks, and I went to try to customize them, and that color was removed. So I mean, I still feel like this turned out pretty good, you know, hence the restrictions that I had. But yeah, anytime a Nike ID comes out, definitely put in your order as soon as possible. Here we go right here. So basically all this blue, light blue material that you see right here is a suede. And another thing that I love about Nike IDs, I usually always mention this, but I love the fact that they always give you a bang for your buck. Granted, this was $10 over the standard Nike ID price. Usually I think it's around $130 for a Air Force One, but for these they were $140. But Pendleton, which is a company that they specialize in like quilts and stuff like that, this is who Nike did a collaboration with. So they allowed you to use these Pendleton materials, which is on the toe box right here, and also on the side panel underneath the swoosh, and also on the back of the heel tab. So that's where I went to add the Pendleton materials. But yeah, everything is really good, on point with the craftsmanship. And that's another thing that I like about the ID program, is because they take their time on the shoe. Every shoe is made to order, so they're not going to make the shoe until you place the order, which means they're going to take the time on making your shoe. And on the side panel where that swoosh is, you have like a beigeish leather swoosh. So for the midsole, I went with white. At first I was going to do sail, but I felt like the sail might have been too, I think kind of looked a little bit dirty with how the vibe of the shoe was going. So I feel like white was more clean. And then you got the all gum bottom on the bottom. And on this pair right here, comes with the tag. And on the back it should, yep, there you go. It is embroidered in with my name, Dre. And of course you got the Pendleton tag right there on the heel. I always love making IDs. This is probably like my 5th or 6th Nike ID. Could be more, but I've been making IDs back since like 2011 or something like that. But dope program, and I always look forward to customizing it. And I know, like, you know, everybody wants to have the latest hype stuff, but every now and then it's good to have a shoe that nobody or less people will have. So this is definitely a shoe that I look forward to wearing. I probably will wear these within the next couple of days. Actually, I will do it on foot, so you guys will see how these look on foot. But yeah, dope pair of shoes. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments down below. I think these still are available to customize, so if you do want to play around with the options, like I said, they might be restricted to colors and materials, but if you do want a pair, just go to the Nike ID website and see if you could come up with something that you like. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, how I did on these sneakers. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.